we're going to bypass the screen lock. Unlock our phone screen lock and simultaneously remove that Google account. Both in a single click without needing a PC. This is a completely PC-free method where we'll explain step by step how to do it. What we need to fix and recover this device. First, we need to watch the video tutorial step by step without skipping ahead, so you don't miss any details and we can solve this recovery problem. Having said all that, we also have other video tutorials in the video description and in the first pinned comment, PC method and PC free method. Let's say what phone model you have. Whether our video tutorial worked for you, and if it didn't, leave a comment with your model number so we can send you a video tutorial specifically for your phone. With all that said, what we're going to do is turn off our phone. We'll turn it off by pressing volume up and power. It seems it lets us turn off the phone. Well, if that's also your case, you're going to press the volume down button and the power button at the same time and release both buttons. When the phone restarts, release both buttons, then press and hold them again. Wait here until it takes us to this menu. Now that we're in this menu, we're going to press volume down, and then press the power button to select recovery mode. After it takes us to this section, it will take us to where the Android figure appears. When we're here, where the Android figure appears, you're going to press the power button and the volume up button, then release the volume and power buttons. Now we're going to scroll down to where it says wipe data with the power button, and then press the power button to select factory data reset. It's resetting the phone, but you'll see this error. Don't worry, you'll do it again. Press the power button again. Now you'll see these two errors again. Don't worry, you'll do it again. Scroll down again and press the power button. Having said all that, we've already done it 3 times. Now, what we're going to do is press the power button. The first option. Now that our phone starts up, we're going to press the volume down button and wait for our device to take us directly to the home screen. Once we're on the home screen, we're going to finish this recovery process. We're going to finish in one of the easiest ways, by skipping that Google account. But I recommend that you watch the step-by-step tutorial so you don't miss any details and can solve this recovery. The idea is that you don't miss any details and can solve all these solutions. Also, as we indicated in the video description and in the first pinned comment, we'll be able to find many other completely different methods. Methods using a PC and methods without a PC, which are different from this one. Now, how are we going to skip that Google account? I'll explain how you can skip that Google account. We're going to change the language here. We're going to change it. Now, we have safe mode activated. Here's that little airplane icon. Don't worry, leave it like that. Now, what we're going to do is click here on skip. We'll click here on skip, we'll wait here. We'll click here on skip again. If you have a SIM card inserted in your phone, I recommend you remove that SIM card. Click here on Continue Offline because if you don't remove the SIM card, it won't give you access to the following settings. It will take you here where Google services appear, and we'll be finishing this operation here. Here we see Google services, we click Accept. We click here on Skip, we wait a few seconds. We click here, we click Next, we click Next, we click Next. Here we'll be finishing. How do we remove this little airplane icon that appears here? All we have to do is scroll down. Click here, and now to edit safe mode we're going to